Thank you for the opportunity, Dr. Maithili Nyanamangai, and good afternoon to everyone. Uh, it is my privilege to welcome you all for the valedictory function of the 21 days virtual course on research methodology. It is one of the fruitful events. In the last 21 days, you have received many inputs totally related to research methodology. There are a lot of ideas you got to facilitate more on the research activity. It starts from selecting an hypothesis to completing the research work with a proper journal or how to applying for funding agency. Everything it leads. What is the present need and all. I hope the participants, you are all fruitfully converted the lockdown days due to the COVID pandemic in the form of learning a lot of insights. I'm very happy in that particular extent. In this welcome address, I wholeheartedly thank all the people, including the NSF, Nature Science Foundation, and all those who are all helped us or they have given very good lectures. I'm very thankful to each and everyone. So in this work, in this particular component, I welcome our college chairman, Line Dr. K.S. Rangasamy Ayya, and Mr. R. Srinivasan, Vice Chairman of K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology, in absentia for the valedictory function of the 21 days event. I welcome the Chief Executive Officer of our KSR group of institutions, Dr. K. Tyagaraja sir, for this particular forum. Virtually, sir has joined here. He's going to give you a valedictory address. I welcome you, sir, for this particular valedictory function. I welcome our principal, Dr. R. Gopalakrishnan, in absentia for this particular program. He has guided us and he has motivated us to conduct this particular event in good success. I wholeheartedly welcome MD of the Nature Science Foundation, Rajalakshmi, and Assistant Director of the Nature Science Foundation, Mrs. Priyadarshini, for this particular virtual valedictory function, as well as for the whole program. He has joined here. And I welcome Dr. Balu of Bharatiyar University, who has helped us a lot to plan and for all the digital activity. He has coordinated a lot. I welcome all the people from the Nature Science Foundation side for this particular program. I welcome all my faculty team, right from the beginning, from the senior professor cadre to the assistant professors. There are around 12 faculty members. They have well coordinated all the event. I welcome all my faculty team and the research scholars, the pillar of this particular program. They have helped us a lot, and I welcome all the research scholars and the other technical people who involved in this particular program. I wholeheartedly welcome all the participants. I have understand and I have learned that there are around 90 percentage of attendance they have maintained. It is a very great achievement. They have coordinated well. I welcome all them for this particular valedictory event. In addition to that, I welcome some of the guest speaker also. Those who are acted as a resource person also joined here. I am very thankful with the heart of thankfulness. I welcome all the resource persons. Some of them are in absentia and they are well coordinated. They are across various states and they have involved, and across the world people are joined here. We are very thankful to all the people, and I wholeheartedly welcome. I hope it is a remarkable event. We have converted all the 21 days as this particular biological days. The 21 days, it is very important for the life of a living organism in the world, because 21 days is required for a single cell to form a new individual. I hope we people are become a new individual. Now we are ready to do work fruitfully, ready to do research work in a very good manner. So with this words, I conclude my welcome address, and I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity for this response also. I hope you people are ready to collaborate with us in the future endeavor also. We are ready to collaborate and we're having all your database and all. So with this, I thank everyone for this particular opportunity. Thank you. Over to the MOC people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your welcome address. I now request Dr. K. Tyagaraja, sir, CEO of KSR Educational Institution, to give his precious valedictory address.
Yeah. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, hello? Sir.
I'm audible. Okay. So very good afternoon to all of you, all those the participants who are present here, and also dignitaries who have been conducted this particular webinar for 21 days. So it is Professor Dr. Philip Robinson and Maithili Gnanamangai and Mrs. Priyadarshini and Mrs. Rajalakshmi and Dr. Balu of Nature Science Foundation and also our own faculty and the participants. It really indeed an immense pleasure. I am participating in the valedictory function of this 21 days webinar, which is being conducted by the Department of Biotechnology. At the outset, I must really appreciate and congratulate Nature Science Foundation to collaborate with the Department of Biotechnology of KS Rangasamy College of Technology and formulate this particular webinar for 21 days on different topics, inviting different people across the country and as well as from the various parts of the world. And perhaps they have, all of them has given a good input for all the participants. So in this context, these 21 days, which is the Corona COVID-19 pandemic, and this is the only way that we can remain connected. I really appreciate the participants who have been over 100 people which have been registered. And as per the Dr. Philip Robinson, who has noted that more than 90% of the people were connected almost every day. And this is one thing is most important. And I must appreciate all the participants who are connected with this particular program. It means that also to say that the programs and the topics which is covered is most important to them. Otherwise, some of the participants would not have come for the next day or even the next session. Coming to the these particular 21 days seminar, there are 21 days which is being conducted, which I feel it is a long period of time. But considering the topics which is covered, at least a minimum of 21 topics or 21 sessions would have been conducted, assuming that it is 1 day per session. So 21 sessions would have been conducted to you. So the topics which I go through, it's more relevant at the present day. And the faculty and the participants, perhaps some of the research scholars and students which has participated, it appears to be more and more relevant, and therefore getting engaged in this particular the webinar series. So I really congratulate the Nature Science Foundation, Department of Biotechnology, and also in particular the members of faculty, Dr. Philip Robinson, head of the department, and Dr. Maithili Gnanamangai, who has taken a lead in getting organized, and not only getting organized and also getting connected to the people from various parts of the world to come and give their sessions. And also I remember that Dr. Balu of Nature Science Foundation and Rajalakshmi and Mrs. Rajalakshmi and Priyadarshini and more of Dr. Ponmurugan, who is very closely coordinating with us with the Nature Science Foundation and also with KS Rangasamy College of Technology. He is one of our former colleague, and really thankful to Dr. Ponmurugan and connecting the Nature Science Foundation and the KSR College, Rangasamy College of Technology. So with these few words, I take this opportunity once again to congratulate the members of the coordinators and the participants and also Nature Science Foundation for successful conduct of this particular program. Wish you all success, and also request all the participants and all the other members be careful and also stay at home as per the government rules and regulations, and also universities are giving, UGC is giving them. So please take care of yourself. I hope that all of you and all with all your family members are very safe. Wish you all the very best and good luck. And request to remain connected with the KS Rangasamy College of Technology for any of the consultancy work, particularly in the Department of Biotechnology and also in other departments and the areas. We are here to help you all at any point of time and at any time. Our laboratories are well furnished and also well equipped. If you want to come test it, you can send the samples. We people can test and give it to you the samples wherever necessary. And also we have a lot of experience in the research areas where that project formulation and then corrections, proof of concepts of reading things, this also which we can do. We have an experts with us. So with these few words, I thank the organizers for giving an opportunity for me to be a part of this valedictory address. Wish you all good luck and thank you so much and thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful valedictory address. And now it's time for me to present the detailed report of this conference. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Tyagaraja, sir. And I take this opportunity to present the detailed report on virtual course. A very warm and good day to everyone. I'm Dr. D. Maithili Gnanamangai, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, KS Rangasamy College of Technology. And as well as I'm also serving as a Vice Chairman for the Nature Science Foundation, Coimbatore. So I take privilege of compiling and presenting the program report of 21 days virtual course on research methodology jointly organized by KSRCT, Tiruchendur and the Nature Science Foundation, Coimbatore. The virtual program was organized from 5th to 25th June 2020 through Microsoft Teams platform. Each day we had 2 sessions with eminent speakers from different arenas of research presented their insights. Before starting the program, all the participants were engaged in a short demonstration session on 4th June 2020 to habituate everyone to the virtual platform. On 5th June, virtual course was inaugurated with welcome address by Dr. P.B. Srinivasan, Director, Nature Science Foundation, Coimbatore. Inaugural address was enunciated by Professor Dr. R. Gopalakrishnan, Principal, KS Rangasamy College of Technology, Tiruchendur, and Mrs. Rajalakshmi, Chairman, Nature Science Foundation, Tamil Nadu, offered felicitation, and Professor Dr. J. Philip Robinson, Head of the Department of Biotechnology, KSRCT, introduced and provided the guidelines of the course. On the same day, Dr. K. Balakrishnan, Head of the Department of Immunology, MKU, Madurai Kamaraj University, presented a spectacular talk on what is research. The ideologies introduced by him were very useful to the participants. Participants were assigned to write a review paper based on the inputs from the course. The papers would be published as a book chapter with ISBN number. All participants were instructed to submit the topic of publication by 10th June 2020. The second day, that is the 6th June, had 2 sessions. The first session was headed by Dr. Nagaraja Surya Devara, Faculty of Medicine, Masha University, Malaysia. He spoke about impact of environment on biodiversity. His thought-provoking insights on environmental issues and responsibilities of researchers were well received by the participants. Next speaker was the Professor Dr. S. Krishna Sundari, Department of Biotechnology, JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, headed the second session on types of scientific and technical publication. She got into the details on the types of publication in an understanding way. Professor Dr. S.A. Sharif, College of Applied Medical Sciences, Shara University, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, led the first session on 3rd day of this virtual course, that is 7th June 2020. It was on how to write research paper in impact journals and upload in the journal website. The screenshot in his presentation can serve as a guide to many amateur researchers. The second session was led by Professor A.M. Gurau, Dean, Faculty of Commerce and Management, Shivaji University, Kuala Lumpur, Maharashtra, on the topic Research in Economics and Commerce. He graciously shared his wisdom in the field of commerce and economics. Day 4 was all about publication, journals, and impact factor. Professor Dr. C. Chellaram, Faculty, Sur College of Applied Sciences, Ministry of Higher Education, Oman, enlightened the participants on the overview of impact factor citation index, H index, and I-10 index in the first session. The second session on journal impact factor and its implication was presented by the Professor Dr. G. Guru Subramanian, Department of Zoology, Mizoram University. Both sessions on 7th June 2020 had thrown lights on the choosing the right journal and the necessity of checking out impact factors before approaching journals for publication. On 9th of June 2020, Professor Dr. R. Bhaskar, Head of the Department of Food Technology, Kongu Engineering College, Perundurai, introduced the participants about the research in food technology and chemical engineering. He elucidated the importance of food technology and the ongoing research in the field. Next session was handled by Dr. A. Lakshmi, Director and Head, KSR School of Management, Tirchangood. She presented the topic on protecting research inventions through intellectual property rights. Her presentation on the topic was highly regarded as a guideline for intellectual property protection. Sixth day of the program had a session on an overview of IPR importance and impact of patents, presented by Dr. Pavan Kumar, Senior Scientist, CSIR, Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, and a session on methods in human disease research, presented by Professor Dr. N. Senthil Kumar, Department of Biotechnology, Mizoram University. The contributions by the speakers were well received by the participants. Also, 10th of June 2020 happened to be the date given to the participants for submitting the title of the book chapter. The participants responded by registering themselves with the Google Forms created for the same purpose. Accordingly, the participants were instructed to submit the camera-ready draft for editors by 18th June 2020. 11th June 2020, again we had two sessions. The first one on how to do quality research was delivered by Professor Dr. Sardul Singh Sandhu, Dean, Department of Biological Sciences, Rani Durgavati University, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. He presented his ideas concisely on the parameters to be monitored to effectively plan a research methodology. The second session on research prioritization was delivered by Dr. Arunachalam, Assistant Director, ICAR, New Delhi. He introduced the dogma of enhancing the relevance and impact of public investment in research. Day 8 session was headed by Professor Dr. R. Ramashankar Verma, Department of Biotechnology, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. He threw his insights on stem cell culture and tissue engineering. And the next session was led by Dr. Lakshmi, who threw his knowledge on ethics in research. Both the sessions were interviewing and introduced new concepts in each field. The first session on 13th June, 9th day of the program was about insects in biomedical importance by Professor B.K. Tyagi, the officer in charge, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. The presentation was so captivating that the participants felt the need of such multidisciplinary researches. The second session on the day was Research in Biomedical Science by Dr. Subhradeep Karamkar, Associate Professor, Department of Biochemistry, AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. He presented an exciting talk on investigating protein and protein DNA interactions in COVID. 10th day sessions were about environmental management and law management resources by Professor Dr. Ganapathy Subramanian, Department of Environmental Science and Engineering, Anna University. And what are the research motivation elements by the Professor Dr. C. Chelaram? Again, it was a second session handled by Chelaram. On 15th June 2020, that is the day 11, had an exciting session on research, passion or profession by Professor Dr. C. Anuradha, Department of Biotechnology, Anna University, which the participant felt as a need of the hour. Dr. V. Shanmugaya shared the second session from Madurai Kamaraj University. It was an interactive session on methods of plant disease control on the same day. On day 12, we had Dr. Gulshan Taj, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering from Sona College of Technology, handled an enthralling session on online research tools. The participant felt that they need to interact more with the speaker that they requested for another demonstration session also. And Dr. Gulshan Taj courteously obliged for the same. The second session of the day was on concept of SWAYAM, MOOCs, Moodle and ICT tools in teaching and research, clearly explained by Professor Dr. Meenakshi Devi, Head of the Department of Information Technology, KSR Institute of College of Engineering. All the researchers associated with Educational Institute were benefited from the session. Professor Dr. S. Sampath Kumar, Department of Sociology and Population Studies, Bharatiyar University, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, took over the session 1 on 17th June 2020 on effective presentation skills. The tips and tricks for the effective presentation skills taught during the session are unmatched. Mr. Shashikant Singh, Assistant Director, Technical Officer, Directorate of Futuristic Technology Management, Defense, DRDO, New Delhi, kind-heartedly accepted the invitation to take up the session 2 on fundamentals of research in social settings. His insight on the topic was exceptional and well appreciated. Day 14 sessions were delivered by Professor Dr. S. Umesha, Department of Biotechnology, University of Mysore, on the topic Literature Survey. Next, it was a session by Gulshan Taj from Sona College of Technology on demo on online tools for drawings. Participants expressed their extreme contentment on the session. Next day, the Professor Dr. K.B. Jayanti, Head of the Department Electronics and Communication Engineering, K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology, headed a session on research opportunities in electrical, electronic engineering and communication engineering. And Professor Dr. B. Anirudhan, Principal, Nehru Arts and Science College, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, headed a session on teaching methodologies and pedagogies on 19th June 2020. Valuable advices offered by the keynoters were constructive for the participants. The importance of physical well-being was encouraged through a session on role of fitness and wellness care on cognitive skills of researchers, well endowed by Dr. S. Akila, Assistant Professor, Department of Physical Education, Bharatiyar University. Our beloved Professor Dr. A. Kumaravel, Sir, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering, KSRCT, throwed his insights on research in mechanical engineering, which met with a great response from the participants. On 17th June 2020, the first session on how to write research paper was led by Dr. Sanjeev Nayaka, Principal Scientist, Lichenology Laboratory, CSIR, National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. And the second session on the project feasibility, ethics, and regulatory approvals was led by Professor Dr. S. Krishna Sundari, Biotechnology, Department of Biotechnology, Jayapal Institute of Information Technology, Noida. All the participants could effectively use these sessions in clearing most of the doubts regarding patent drafting and regulatory approvals. Day 18, session 1 was delivered by Professor Dr. G. Venila, Head Department of Civil Engineering, KSRCT, Tiruchengodu. She throwed her insights on research opportunities in civil engineering, and the session 2 was delivered by Professor Dr. S. Krishna Sundari again. She delivered a keynote address on opportunities and funding for scientific research and entrepreneurship. Participants felt fortunate to get to know about the exciting and existing the predicted demand for the research and entrepreneurship. 23rd June 2020, first session was headed by Dr. Amruta Valli, Associate Professor, Head Department of Microbiology, Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, on how to write project proposals. Her session was effectively utilized by passionate audience. The second session of the day was on approaches, devices, and regulations in research related to COVID-19, headed by Dr. X. Bhaskaran, postdoctoral fellow, School of Life Sciences, Sun Yat-sen University, People of Republic, China. Participants noticed and understood the importance of regulation in research in a global scenario. Yesterday was 20th, and it had a session on application of statistics in research by Professor Dr. K. Marimuthu, Department of Biotechnology, Faculty of Applied Sciences, Amherst University, Malaysia. He established a clear description on the importance of statistical knowledge in research. It was followed by a session dedicated for seminars by a few selected participants who presented their research areas and interests. The participants who presented the seminars were Dr. B. Nalini, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics from Avinashi Lingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore. Dr. Shankar Swarup Das, Assistant Professor, Farm Machinery and Power Engineering, College of Agriculture, Engineering and Post-Harvest Technology, Central Agriculture University, Impal. And Dr. V. Gayatri from Avinashi Lingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women. Ms. S. Narthana, second MSc student, Department of Botany, Kongunadu Arts and Science College. and Dr. H. Anil Kumar, who delivered his seminar today on 25th June on the topic Chemical Mutation Breeding Techniques for Crop Improvement for Mulberry, followed by Dr. Shivani Dobal, Assistant Professor, Tree Improvement from Arunachal Pradesh, from Central Agriculture University. And next, the session was dealt by Mr. B.L. Prasad. He is a second BSc Chemistry student, and he took a topic on impacts of environmental hazards on our environment and controlling process. Next, followed by Dr. V.C. Borakar, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Maharashtra, on writing research paper using latex. Thank you, participants, for sharing your expertise and making the session purposeful. Today in the morning, we had a session of funding agencies in India and abroad by Dr. P. Ponmurugan, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Bharathiar University. Certainly, your address goes a long way in inspiring us to strive hard and achieve more, sir. I would like to end the program report with a quote. There are three sorts of people in the world. Those who are immovable, people who don't get it or don't want to do anything about it. There are people who are movable, people who see the need for the change and are prepared to listen to it. And there are people who move, people make things happen. With this quote, I end the detailed quote, and I take this opportunity to thank all the organizers for giving such a wonderful program designed to overcome the shortcoming of lockdown and captivate the participants with the deep insights into the research methodology. Thank you one and all, and my special thank to the active participants who led this session. I would like to mention some of the participants who constantly gave some improvements and who constantly stood by the organizer teams. And they are Dr. V. Anil Kumar, Dr. Borakar, Dr. Shivani Dobal, Mr. Lokesh, Mr. Nagesh, Dr. Purva, Mrs. Nitin Kumari, Mr. Sanjay, and Ms. Shruti Banerjee, Mr. Maftun, Mr. Prasad, Dr. Nalini, Dr. Uma, Dr. Gayatri, and so many students, so many participants I can remember who were traveling with us entirely in this team for the 21 days constantly. I could see daily, I could see more than 90 and more than 100 participants each day, each sessions. Thank you for your sincerity, for being with us throughout this virtual course. And I wholeheartedly thank this platform for giving me this platform to take an opportunity to lead the sessions and everything. Thank you so much. With this detailed note, I am coming to a conclusion for this virtual program, and I request some of the participants who are eager, who are volunteer to give the feedback on this course. If there are any volunteers, they can come and propose any feedback to this team. So I could see some raising of hands. Shankar Swarup Das, sir, you can give a feedback.
Okay. Hello, madam. My name is Shankar Swarup Das, working as assistant professor in Central Agricultural University. Really, the program was very enjoyable for me. Each and every lecturer I have actually attended, and particularly the research funding thing given by the madam, it was excellent. And moreover, 2 engineering sessions also I have attended. One is by a professor in mechanical engineering. Actually, he presented the researchable areas in mechanical engineering, which was really very attractive. And also, madam presented civil engineering research opportunities. That was also really excellent. Overall, I also enjoyed the program related to your writing of the research report and the research ethics and all the things related to your research methodology. And the very first speaker who told about the plagiarism and all the things related to the research, it was also very enjoyable. Really, this program was very good for me, and thank you organizers for giving me one opportunity to present my paper, my research paper on this. It was really very good for me, and I would like to thank everybody, all including participants from my side. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I request, I think, yes, sir. Anil Kumar, sir, you can also share your
madam. Yeah, madam. Very much eager. I'm overwhelmed by this 21 days of webinar, which was something like, on, job training, as well as I would call it as a kind of, intensive motivation to the new vistas of research methodologies. See, it gave a lot of inputs to me, and I could just reap a lot of benefit from this particular webinar, especially the tools, ICT tools, which we were all, appraised by Gulshan Das, Gulshan Das, and actually I started trying those tools, the software which the same day she told us, like Difficon, Kako, Origin Pro, and so many like that. I started making one or two plates from that tool itself. Which I wanted to express it. And second thing is that the funding agencies, as far as funding, this is a big opportunity for us to know there's plenty of funding for research. And of course, I also had discussions with Professor Punungan, sir. And later on, especially in biological science, that is the biotechnological field and molecular level. One of the professor who spoke from, I think it's Noida, and I also have been in touch with her, contacted with her for further to collaborate with some of the programs and projects. Because as such, I'm working here as also an IQAC coordinator in my college. So this gave me an opportunity to see that how these opportunities are there, many opportunities as well as to take up the research with beginners, and also overall doing research to explore more and more what we call the areas, and more what we call the fields where they can generate the resources like funds, as well as resources like manpower, resources like techniques and tools, connecting with one another. So this made a good linkage. It established a strong linkage, and perhaps all participants should feel that. I mean, it's an order of the day for us to go for a collaborative way of doing things now onwards. Now, this particular online webinar had given this opportunity. I really thank the organizers, that is Rangaswamy College of Technology, as well as the Nature Science Foundation of Coimbatore. And every day, sometimes when there is a technical problem, I immediately used to contact Ms. Priyadarshini Madam. She was so kind enough to just help me out. And because I was very curious to attend each and every session. And somewhat technical problems, one or two sessions I couldn't make it up. However, I was able to just get it through the YouTube and so on. So once again, I thank all the organizers. This is a wonderful experience, and I have been benefited a lot. Though it's my role to take this to my institutions and to reach all the stakeholders. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you for giving me an opportunity.
Thank you, Anil Kumar, sir.
Okay, madam.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Dr. Gayatri from Avinash Lingam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can give your feedback, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. We really, actually, all the participants, we are happy that you have made this event a very grand success. Organizing a single day webinar for 1 or 2 hours itself is difficult for many persons. But you have organized this 21 days excellently, and on all the days we are spellbound, that is sitting before the laptop. We are not able to move here and there. So it was really nice, and we enjoyed all the sessions from the starting of the research till how to do patenting and how to get the funding. So all the topics were really interesting, and all the speakers, the credit goes to the organizers, that is the KSR College of Technology and the Nature Science Foundation. My special thanks to Dr. Priyadarshini of NSF and Dr. Maithili Nyanamangai of KSR College and Dr. Ponmurugan sir, who all had their hand behind, and there are so many people who would have involved their hands in this, organizing this virtual course. But this was really a great success, and great applause to you all organizers. Thank you so much. Because sometimes even in the regular seminar and symposium, we teachers don't get a platform to present our papers, because we leave way for the students to present. But this online, it has given us a chance to present ourselves before the forum. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for all the organizers. Hats off to you. Valga Valamudan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your wonderful words, ma'am.
Thank
If
you, ma'am.
that's
Thank
the-
you.
Okay, ma'am.
May I have a word?
Yes.
I'm Dr. Nalini
Good
from
afternoon.
Meenakshi again. Good afternoon to all.
Yes.
I would like to place on record the meticulous effort that each and everyone who has involved in this activity, not from the day one, but before that, even to take up the permission and then organize, contact every participant and asking them for their convenience and each and every aspect of the arrangement was wonderful. So I want to place this in record. And the second one is definitely I should appreciate Dr. Maithili and other team, I mean admins of the WhatsApp. Though I don't know their names by names, but Dr. Maithili was the one who was conversing throughout, and all other admins who immediately responded to any queries that we sent and took action for that. Though I should mention here that initially we had this misunderstanding with Microsoft Team software, but that was well settled with patience and technical expertise by the organizers. I should thank the organizers for that. I think every one of the participants would agree with this point with me. And I thank K.S. Rangaswamy College and in National Science Foundation, Dr. Ponmurugan, for giving me and all these participants a very good opportunity and good resource people. I know how difficult it is to put on a resource person on time, on web, and maintaining their network and helping them to get their PPTs displayed on the screen, always tracking them whether they are audible or any response to be given, and keeping the resource person in place, intact, or in a mood of presentation. That's a wonderful event that you all have done. Thank you very much for the wonderful 21 days event. And every morning we were exactly getting fast ready. I mean, like going to the college and meeting out our students. We became students for 21 days and it was really enjoyable. Thank you very much for everyone associated with this event. Thank you, madam.
Thank you
Good
so much,
afternoon.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, this is Syed Ali Akbar from Coimbatore. I'm from Gongurada
Yes,
Science
sir.
College.
Yes,
This was very informative and resourceful. As a student point of view, this is my first experience to attend this much long webinar, 21 days. Wow, this has very helpful in my studies. I have no words. I very much first thank the organizers, Maithili ma'am, Balu sir. They have cordially helped us in a very various
Yes, sir. Thank you, Syed, sir.
situations. Thanks. Thank you.
The only thing we miss out in this course is the group photo. Which
Yes,
is not
ma'am.
possible, but we will make it a try, ma'am. With
Ma'am,
what
if
photos you
it
have.
is possible,
Yes.
I will give you a message and I will give you a number. Kindly post all your photos. I will make a group flyer and then we will circulate it to the
Yes,
social
ma'am.
media.
Yes,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
do it, ma'am.
Already
Do
you
it,
have the
yes.
passport size photo of everybody with you.
Yes,
With the
ma'am.
name,
But it
you
would
can
be
make a
better if
contact
Thank
and
you, madam.
it is like you are watching the seminar. It will be better, I think.
okay.
Because that itself is a good remembrance.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
So many people attending. Yes, 160 is not a minimum number, ma'am. It's really a great to
Yes, ma'am.
coordinate each and everyone and do this virtual course. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello,
No, ma'am.
Maithili
Yes,
ma'am. Good
yes.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am Nitin Kumari, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can
Ma'am,
share your
firstly,
feedback.
yeah, ma'am, I have already posted my feedback in the form, but I really want to say thanks. Like you have organized wonderfully this 21 days virtual course, because before attending this course, We were really confused, and you know, we are at this stagnant stage, this COVID-19 time. But after attending this course, we are much aware. We have more knowledge about the different angles of the research, about the fundings and all. Now we are much aware. Now we are in a better position to do research in a better way. So thank you so much for wonderfully organizing all the lectures from the diverse arena. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, I would like to say another thing. Ma'am, I have posted my photo on 8th June, but I didn't see my photo on the certificate in the lists.
Ma'am, regarding issues, we will contact you back, ma'am. Actually, vote of session is also there. So I kindly request the participants to stay online for further queries. Now let's finish up this feedback session and hand over the session to Ms. Priyadarshini. Are you there?
Hello, Maithili ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Priyadarshini, you can propose the vote of thanks right now. The session is yours.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Shall I continue, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
Thank you to entire.
Okay. Sir? Good afternoon to all of you. Maithili ma'am, Ponmurugan sir is saying something, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Priyadarshini, please hold on a second. Sir, Ponmurugan sir, yes, sir.
I will talk. Dear participants, I am Dr. Ponmurugan from Bala University. So, just I want to say a few words about the program. So regarding this program, a total of 160 participants are attended. The different galaxy of people are attended this program. And so really, I appreciate all the team members of KSR College of Technology and HSA Foundation. Especially, this course is instrumental, and the word was coined by Dr. Balu. Dr. Balu from Coimbatore. So really, I appreciate him for his words. He only coined the term 21 days virtual course on research methodology. And the entire program was really successful. There is no doubt at all. This was brought out by Dr. Maithili. Really, I appreciate Dr. Maithili's hard work over the past 25 days, not 21 days, 25 days, before starting the preparation of flyer and everything. Really appreciate her for enormous effort. No words are there to thank her, because her contribution, since she's a lady and she has 2 children, really day and night she's working. She's following all the participants. I appreciate her. I also appreciate Dr. Purnima. She is preparing the online question paper, and she is the instrumental for feedback session in all the session. She's also working for the past 25 days. I appreciate her. I also appreciate Dr. Ayapadasan. These are all my own PhD students. Really, I am happy that my PhD students are working day and night. Ayapadasan. I also appreciate Dr. Zami, Dr. Sidra. Then, in addition to that, I appreciate Dr. Balasubramanian. He's not in the screen, but he is the fellow every day is sitting for the preparation of flyer, collecting photo from the resource persons and biodata everything. Every day he's sitting for more than 4 to 5 hours for the preparation of flyer. Really, I thank Balasubramanian. I also appreciate Philip Robinson, the Kannada department. He's supporting every moment for taking up this new course, and we appreciate Philip Robinson. And I also appreciate the principal of KSR College of Technology, Dr. Gopal, and the CEO, Dr. K. Tyagaraja, for the enormous support in conducting this course in a big way. And see here, actually, we plan to bring out 4 books on research methodology, volume 1, 2, 3, 4. So the authors are different from HSA Foundation and KSR College of Technology. We are going to bring out this book. The book will be published by Mahi Publications, New Delhi, along with the ISBN number. We are going to sort out all the papers based on arts, science, engineering, technology streams. So it will take another 10 days of time to segregate the paper, and we are going to align the paper. We are going to submit to Mahi Publications. Please understand, participants, UGC recognized is applicable only for journals, not books. Lot of queries we received indicating that whether the book is recognized by UGC or not. The participants know that the books are not coming under UGC publication, UGC recognition. Only journals are coming in. So anyway, the Mahim Public is a very international publisher in Delhi. We are going to bring out. We are going to send only the soft copy to all the participants. You can take a printout of the book. We are not going to provide you the full book because the size is very larger, and the book cost is around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. So it is not possible to give you the hard copy of the book to all the participants. But nevertheless, we are going to provide you the soft copy. You can take a printout of. Then today is the last day, and within 2 days we are going to dispatch the certificate and the testimonial through speed post. It will be available for you within a week time. Please, you need some patience to reach you. The certificate printing will be started tomorrow. After taking printout, we are going to paste the hologram because we can't duplicate it. And after pasting hologram, then the testimonial will be obtaining from the principal of KSR College. We are going to send to you through either speed post or distant post. Please give your correct address so that will be enable us to send you the certificate content. So these are things I talked about: certificate dispatch and book preparation, printing, publication. That will be available within a month time. Please wait for some time. Everything will reach you. You need not worry about the book and all. And I appreciate all the people I covered. I think all the people. Dr. Balu is a very important person for this one. And then the chairman of Native Foundation, Rajalakshmi, director P.V. Srinivasan, and the joint director, assistant director, Mr. Priyadashini. They're also working hard every day. I also appreciate Arun Kumar, Mr. Scholar. He is also sitting in night for conducting this course in. So thank you all, and so please keep in touch for your future career. I am ready to help you in all aspects. Thank you very much. Either you can continue.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful words, sir, towards us and concern towards us. And now the session is about to end with the vote of thanks that will be delivered by Priyadashini, from Assistant Director, NSF. Priyadashini?
Yes, ma'am. It's audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. It's audible.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. Greetings from Nature Science Foundation. First of all, I thank Lord Almighty to complete 21 days virtual course on research methodology successfully. Nature Science Foundation and KSR College of Technology thank all participants for your wholehearted support. We thank all the resource persons and trust members of NSF and management from KSR Technology, principal, CEO, and faculty members from Department of Biotechnology for their cordial support. Thank you once again. I wish all the participants for their future endeavor. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Madam, actually, I have a small query.
1 second, sir. 1 second. I will complete the thing and then I will come back. Okay. Okay. Thank you. As of now, the program is ended right now and the valedictory function is over. So if the participants have any queries related to this thing, you can ask me. And I now request the other speakers as well as other guests who are available in this valedictory function to leave. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful presence. Thank you.